Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at A2X Markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A2X Markets is a South African stock exchange and marketplace that was founded in 2014 by Sean Melnick, Ashley Mendelowitz, and Kevin Brady. It is similar to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, or JSE, but uses different technologies, and at times it may offer more competitive pricing and spreads. This exchange is licensed and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FSCA, and the Prudential Authority, or SARB. African Rainbow Capital holds a 20% stake in A2X Markets, and NALA, a board-based empowerment company, holds a 10% stake. All brokers that use this platform are subject to strict regulations and compliance with the trading rules of A2X Markets, which ensures safety, transparency, and fairness for all clients. A2X Markets is not a traditional broker, but instead provides a high-performance trading environment with low latency and low fees to enable stock trading through leading South African financial institutions. In order to use A2X Markets Exchange, you will need to create an account with one of the approved brokers. A2X Markets currently offers stocks and shares in more than 90 of the biggest companies in South Africa, including Netcare, Discovery, and Exxaro. We highly recommend using this exchange if you are a South African stock trader or an international trader looking for ways to diversify your portfolio with South African stocks. A2X Markets uses a number of systems to provide the best trading conditions and prices for stock traders. As an A2X Markets client, you will be able to buy stocks and shares from a total of 96 leading South African companies. If you've ever wanted to buy your share of stocks and companies such as Discovery, Sasol, ANGLO Gold, or Exxaro, then we would recommend using the A2X Exchange. To learn more about the stocks and shares you can buy from this exchange, click on the Issuers tab and select the Shares Available to Trade option. The A2X customer support team is available Mondays to Fridays from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central African Standard Time. You can view the contact details of all the departments by clicking on Contact Us under the Quick Links menu at the bottom of the homepage. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to view all the tips and guides to help you get started and solve some of the most common issues. A2X is compliant with a regulation known as Best Execution, under the requirements of the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, or MiFID. This means that A2X will always put their clients first and take all measures necessary to ensure that clients always get the best possible outcome for prices, costs, and settlement speed. A2X generates prices from multiple international markets, which guarantees lower spreads, reduced trading fees, and deeper liquidity. The A2X Exchange is a multilateral trading facility platform supplied by Aquis Technologies in the UK, and its matching engine uses an anonymous central order book. The core A2X Markets system consists of a matching engine, a surveillance system, and an advanced clearing system. A2X uses a smart order routing system, or best market router, which automates the process of scanning and finding the best prices for shares across multiple exchanges. A2X Markets also uses a unique market data system to give clients full price visibility and volume activity, and several guides are provided to help you find the market data you need. These guides are compiled by leading companies such as Bloomberg, IRESS, Rapid Addition, and MCI. You can also view market data directly from the A2X Markets website. The A2X clearing and settlement systems are monitored by the Settlement Committee and a multi-market, multi-asset accounting system known as Securities, which is used to clear and settle both principal and agency trades executed on A2X. In order to learn more about the features and systems of A2X, simply click on the Vendors tab, the Trade tab, or the About tab. A2X does not only offer low-cost trading and tight spreads. However, this exchange also offers several unique order types that makes it possible to manage trades on a whole new level. A2X's order types are limit orders, which enable traders to specify the quantity and price of a trade. This is a great way to automate certain trading actions to ensure you do not go over your limits or miss out on your opportunities. You can use Good for Day to delete or close orders that are not executed on the day at the end of each trading day, so that you do not carry over into the next day. The Fill or Kill order type executes an entire order immediately, and if it is not executed, then it will be cancelled. Immediate or Cancel is an order type that allows the full order or part of the order to be executed immediately, and if only part of the order was executed, then the rest will be cancelled. There are also different off-book trade types that are unique to the A2X exchange. The first trade type is the Large in Scale, or LS, type, where large orders are executed within the A2X order size parameters. And orders are not processed by the central order book, but are reported to A2X. Another trade type is the Negotiated Benchmark Cross, or NC, which is popular in Europe and new to South Africa. It enables a broker to report a pre-agreed order with at least 10 consecutive trade instances. It is a high hit rate trade type that reduces the costs and time required for trades. A2X also offers report-only trade types for clearing and settlement. And this trade type can be used across custom settlement groups, such as JSE groups and straight groups. A2X uses straight to settle all trades transacted on A2X. In order to trade on A2X, you will need to use an approved broker. The lists of approved brokers or members can be found by clicking on the Trade tab and selecting the Approved Brokers option. Once you have created an account with one of the approved brokers, you will be able to use the A2X Exchange. A2X is not only a trusted stock trading exchange, but the website can also be used to access updated market news, accurate market data, industry news, and monthly newsletters. Over the course of A2X's operations, they have received several awards for their services. And in 2020, they were awarded the Best New Stock Exchange by International Finance Brokerage Awards, the fastest growing stock exchange company by the Global Economics Awards, the Stock Exchange CEO of the Year by the Global Economics Awards, the Stock Exchange CEO of the Year in South Africa by Global Banking and Finance Awards, the fastest growing stock exchange in South Africa in 2020 by the Global Banking and Finance Awards, and the Best New Stock Exchange in Africa by the International Business Magazine Awards. Overall, A2X is an award-winning stock exchange for South African stock traders and international investors looking for ways to diversify their portfolios. With A2X, you'll get the best spreads and fastest order executions, and you'll have access to a dedicated support team. A2X also provides reliable, updated market news, and this exchange uses several advanced systems and trading technologies to ensure that their clients always have the best trading conditions. So if you are interested, be sure to open an account with one of A2X's approved brokers today and start buying stocks in leading South African companies. And that is our overview of A2X Exchange. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.